Well, we've all talked about why cleaning and disinfecting your home is important, and it's more important than ever. But what about proper ventilation? We're welcoming Basset Heating and Air Conditioning back, and they are our 7 things you need to know expert. So joining me with more information is owner Mike Machado. Thank you so much for joining me this morning.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Wonderful. So with more... I'm so happy that you're here, because talking about this stuff is so important, because with more people having to stay at home or work from home during this current situation, and those warmer days are approaching, so should we be concerned about running our central air conditioning systems right now?
Well, you really don't need to be concerned, but I will stress the importance of still having it maintained during the summer months. I understand that we're taking precautions with our service techs to ensure safety during this COVID-19 situation, but don't neglect your system. Being at home with the warmer months coming, being indoors more often, it's even more critical now to make sure that system is maintained and running properly. Having the coils cleaned, particularly the indoor coils, the filters changed, that type of thing, it's really beneficial. So I can't stress enough the importance of still maintaining that system, particularly during this time. It's probably even more important now.
Right, since we're going to be using them more because we are home more. So that's great that you're bringing this to the forefront of someone's mind, because with everything else going on, they're probably forgetting about, oh, hey, proper maintenance of our, heating and air conditioning. So if someone is considering having an air conditioning system installed in their home at this time, when's a good time to have that project done? Would it be right about now, or probably not in the heat of summer, though?
Well, typically now, as far as installing AC systems in the home, spring is the best time. If you're considering doing that, you want to do it before the summer rush. Typically, sometimes we get real busy in the summer when there's a higher demand. There can be a 2 or more week waiting period to get that system installed. Take advantage of the milder weather, have it done now. It's ready to go when the heat arrives.
Okay. Now, something that we definitely have to talk about is the current uncertainty surrounding the economy. So are there options available for people who are wanting to have a new system installed without worrying about the upfront cost?
Yes, there are. We're currently, through our finance company that we use, we're offering a true interest-free, no interest, no minimum monthly payments due for up to 12 months. So you could actually get that system installed today and not have to be concerned with making any payments for a year's time, and with no interest.
That definitely gives someone enough time to get back on their feet. Hopefully the coronavirus thing has settled by then, within 12 months, and they have a new job, and then can be able to pay that off. I mean, that's the hope, right? So what precautions are your employees taking in response to the current COVID-19 situation?
Well, we're COVID-19 compliant, so all our technicians are taking extreme precautions, including using disinfectant wipes, hand sanitizer. They're sanitizing all the surfaces that they touch, wiping down any equipment they touch within the house, doing the best to maintain that 6-foot distance between themselves and the customers, as well as other co-workers that may be on the job with them. And after every service call, and we're wearing the gloves too, protective gloves, so those are being disposed and changed after every service call, as well as the vehicles are being wiped down, all their tools, all their equipment. So we're doing the best we can to help reduce the risk of any spread of that virus. Mm-hmm, and we have a video on our website too that emphasizes that a bit too, if you care to look at it.
Okay, wonderful. So for more information and to see that video, to call for anything, you just go to BassetHeating.com. I want to thank you so much for your time this morning.
Well, thank you very much.